Well, you know, it actually is not looking half bad right now.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Ouch. There's these little bugs that are crawling on my skin. Look at them. So they're all like moving on my skin, right? And when I touch them, they stop and they burrow into my skin. You see them?
Uh-huh.
It's a breeding ground.
That's sugar.
I felt like I had little like tingly spiders underneath my skin. They're having a party.
I certainly hope we don't break out in some kind of weird hives, and I'm sure that we're gonna get bug bitten
Yeah.
to hell.
All right, little satchel. You're gonna be my best friend tonight.
You just feel like little worms are crawling all over your body in every direction.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh my God.
That thing is enormous.
Humongous cockroaches.
Let's get out of here.